5 Awesome Tips for Etsy Sellers 2022. Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. How to increase your Etsy sales? That's the questions that every Etsy seller wants the answer to. With the ever-increasing number of sellers on the platform, your products and Etsy store can easily get lost among your competitors. With multiple successful shops in a six-figure business, I can assure you that there are some practical ways that you can improve your Etsy sales. Before we continue, enjoy this video, please hit the like button, and subscribe to this channel. Also click the bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming releases. Here are 5 of my favorite ways to increase your Etsy sales in 2022. Number 5. Create branding that customers love. When you think about coffee, Starbucks pops into your mind. Sport shoes? Nike and Adidas. You get the idea. Branding and brand awareness are one of the most important factors of success for a business. And it's also one of the most difficult ones to improve because so much is involved in it. Many people think branding is just the shop name, logo, or your business card designs, but it's much more than that. It involves all the touch points with your customers. Branding is felt by the customer whenever they interact with your shop. From logo and banner, to customer service and your product packaging, you should think about how to impress your target customer. Number 4. Run a sale the right way. Running a sale is a quick way to get some extra sales. But there are a few things to keep in mind if you don't want to run into traps. One of the biggest mistakes sellers can make is to run sales and give discounts so often that customers expect it. Online customers are smart. They can sense the prices in the pattern, whether subconsciously or not. You essentially make the discounted price your new, regular, price, cutting your profit margin by a chunk. So, knowing when to give discounts and when not to is crucial. Another point is that many customers are sick of the overly sale-sci phrases. Mega sale, only today, limited offer. Overusing them or using them when you don't mean it will jeopardize the trust from your customers. Number 3. Include small gift or freebie to impress customers. Reciprocity increases sales and loyal customers. Study shows that customers are more likely to come back and make a purchase if they receive a small gift or a nice surprise, especially for handmade items. So surprise them with a small gift. Even better if it's a sample of another popular product in your shop. It gives a good reason for your customer to come back and buy that product. However, this is not a time that more is better. Sometimes you don't want to devalue what you sell. If you give another full product that sells for the same price to your customer for free, they will question whether the thing they purchase is worth that much in the beginning. Number 2. Use social media properly. Who isn't on Facebook or Instagram these days? They can skyrocket your Etsy sale if done properly. However, many sellers have the mistake of seeing them as sales tools, and only posting product photos and expecting sales to come in. Keep in mind that no one really needs to see you posting your own products every day. In most social media platforms, people are not looking to shop. Instead, you should post content that benefits people, and still keep it related to your shop. If you sell home decor, you can post content about how to style the product in your house. If you sell clothing, styling tips can be a good way to go. The aim of social media is to display a good brand image and build relationships with your potential customers. Those relationships would be essential when they are ready to purchase, as your brand may be the first to pop into their mind. Number 1. Encouraging repeat customers with coupon codes. Coupon codes are a powerful way to entice your customers to return to your shop. Another easier way to send them a coupon is using Etsy's own system of a thank you coupon. Usually a 10 to 15% coupon can do the trick. After all, you want to reserve higher discounts, 20 to 30% off, for big sales in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming releases. Check out our playlist for more great content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.